today will be my first video, and for my first video we'll be ranking all of the Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends seasons, spin-off show, and the movies. So let's get started straight in with season 1. Season 1, it is a pretty good season. It started it all off. It is definitely not the worst, but it is a pretty good season, which is why it started it all off. So I'll be putting in B tier. Season 2, a pretty big major step up from season 1. It introduced a whole new part of the Sodor and Edward's branch line. Got a whole bunch more characters focused this year, like Edward, Percy. Thomas was in a lot of episodes, not as much as he was in the previous season. And this is personally one of my favorite seasons of all time. We're probably putting it in A tier. Yeah, just A tier it will be going in. Next up is season 3. I like the season. It's just I grew up with the US dub of everything, so let me kind of buy off of this. I think Carla is better than Angelus. People might me hate for that. You guys can't. I understand completely understand why. But is that out of that, season 3 introduced a whole new world. Like season 3 introduced Swords Not from the Grove series. For Audrey, the famous Associate Henry's Force that Audrey was famously not happy about. But I still love the season regardless, which is why I'll be putting it as here. A pretty big step up from season 2. Next up is season 4. This is a pretty good season. This might be one of my favorites. This might be my favorite season of the entire show. I really love it. Intertotal Railway, which is why we will be putting it up in S tier. Next season is season 5. I'm gonna fuck this, but season 5 is not my favorite season. I like it. I think it's great, but I don't think it's because there's definitely some episodes that are some flack in this, but I don't really like it. I'm just kidding, guys. I like it. I love it, but it will not be going in S tier. It will be going in here. Now, Thomas and the Magic Railroad. I didn't really grow up with this. I never did. I never thought it was even that good. I never really liked it. It's not. It's kind of miserable that the Magic Runes movie. It sucks, but I like it. The movie either way. Just kidding. But it is a pretty mid movie, which is why it will be going in SC tier. Next up is season 6. Alright, this is famously the episode. This was right after Thomas and I built a failure, by the way, and it was not really best season in my opinion. I like it, but it's definitely not my favorite. I think it has top 10 worthy stuff. Enough of episodes. But I think it is a mid-season, but not on the mid-level of like Magic Railroad, which is why I like putting it in B tier. Season 1. Next up is season 7. Whoa, what is happening here? Next up is season 7. This came out in 2004. The US, and I'm from the US, so this is definitely complicated for us Americans. Most definitely complicated, but I think it's pretty mid-season. I think season 6 is better than it story-wise. I'm putting it in there, in the C tier with that ATMR. Next up, we have got the Thomas, Friends, Jack, and the Pack. I think this is pretty good spin-off. This Thomas is only spin-off. I like it. It's good. which is why I'll be putting it in B tier. Next up is Season 8. It started off the hit hour, which is the famous 8-season stretch that nobody really liked. Now, I think it's mid, but which is why I'll be putting it on this. It's like the same level of Season 7. I'll be putting it in this. Alright, next up is Going On. I'll put it this way. Overall, I don't really like the story, but overall, it's boring. That's why I'll be putting it in C tier. Next up is Season 9. I've never fully seen the season, but I only have watched one episode, but I personally do not like this season. I think it's one of the worst in the entire series. We were putting this in D tier. Now, similar to Season 10, I do not like this. I never see this season before. I never have. But it's just bad. I don't really like it. So I'll be putting it in D tier. Season 11. Now, I think this is actually a bit of a step up from the past two. Because first of all, I love the visuals this season. It's honestly one of my favorite visuals of the entire show. And I think it's deserving of C tier. Next up is The Great Discovery, the entire model series. We all love this, let's be honest. This isn't my top 5 movie rankings of the entire show, but I think it is a pretty damn good movie, and we will all eventually love it. I think everybody should like it, and it's a pretty good movie. I'll be putting this in A tier. A tier. Next up is Season 12. Listen, there's a reason Japan did not get this in full. Alright, I don't think Japan wanted it. Alright, they hated it. It looks horrible. Nobody really likes it. It sucks. Which is why I'll be putting it in the disgusting tier. Next up is Hero of the Rails. We all thought this game, Thomas was actually good for the first time with animation. You know, I liked it. It's good. It's decent. We all think this could be a good movie, which I'm going in B tier. Next up is Season 13. Definitely not my favorite, but not least favorite, I guess. It's got some good visuals, like early bird and swish, splash, splash. But is overall a D tier season. Next up is Misty Island Rescue. Listen, I really need to say anything. Season 14, pretty similar to Season 12. We're going disgusting. Daily Needles. You know, I don't think this is as bad as Misty Island, but it's not good. It's going in the F tier. Season 15, this is pretty similar to, it's mostly very similar. Season 14, which is why I'll be putting this in the disgusting tier. Next up is Blue Mountain. Guess none of you guys probably don't know this, but this is my favorite Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends movies out there. I love it. The Pit. It's my personal favorite movie. I love it. I think everybody else should love it, or I think most of the fandom does. You know, this is coming around the time when, just hold on, it's not really working. Which is why I putting Blue Mountain Mystery in the S tier. Get to it real quick, it's just not loading. I'll get to it, and that is beginning. And this is all I can get for part 1, but I'll see you guys in part 2.